David Amakobi left Kenya 15 years ago. Since then, he's worked hard to build his own trucking and logistics company in the U.S. Despite his success, he worries about the hardships other immigrants go through when they first arrive in the country. This is why he and a group of friends have formed an organization called Glimpse of Hope, aimed at helping African arrivals understand U.S. immigration laws and educate them so that they too can prosper.
The perception that people get when they are moving from Africa to here is that they are going to be moved from that position to a position here. What they don't know is that they are being brought here to compete, and to be able to compete, they need to be able to get the right papers.
It is estimated that nearly 1.5 million Africans live in the U.S. They make up more than a third of the total record population of 3.8 million foreign-born blacks who now live in the country. Gaining legal status is a process that can take many years. So Glimpse of Hope members focus on helping African immigrants navigate the complex system.
Being able to be a documented legal resident in this country that leads to a pathway to citizenship. Why I say so? Because you cannot, by any means, assess the resources of this country or any country when you are not legally allowed to do so.
Compared with other U.S. immigrants, black immigrants are a more recently arrived immigrant population. More than 60% of African immigrants are recent arrivals to the U.S., having come in 2000 or later. So while they may lack the experience of Hispanic immigrants, they say their stories still need to be heard and their issues addressed.
We need organizations that really understand what we go through, what immigrants go through, what the families of immigrants go through, and see if there's a way to address some of their needs.
African immigrants here say that because the immigration debate has been centered for so long around Latin American immigrants, they now have to be extra vocal in addressing their immigration concerns. Andrea, CCTV, Delaware.